Hello everybody, welcome back to English Speech Sounds, developing American English pronunciation through contrasting sound exercises. Today we're getting into lesson 7. This is our final lesson for the contrasting pairs, a versus and ah. So in this video we're going to review what we have encountered in our previous lessons. And you can see the mouth positions on the screen. So our primary sound is a, and we're going to contrast that against the and ah. And if you're still not yet sure how to make those sounds, you can follow the examples on the screen. Now in our first activity, by way of review, we're going to fill in the blanks with the missing word. So what I'm going to do is ask you to stop the video at this time and try to fill in the blanks for each one. Once you've done that, unpause the video, of course, and listen to the responses. Okay, so I'm assuming that you have paused the video, filled in the blanks. So let's go ahead. And we're going from line to line, line 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's begin. First line we have a, and this is Buck. Second line, Sam, Sem, some, and some. Next line 3, batter, better, butter. So we don't have a word for the ah sound there. Next we have line 4, bass, bess, bus, and boss. Okay. Line 5, axe, X. The we don't have a word for that. But we have ox. So axe, X, and ox. You get the idea? All right, let's go to another one. Again, the same situation. I'm going to ask you to fill in the blanks. Pause the video first. Fill in the blanks with the word that belongs in each blank using the sound in the column. Okay, so please pause the video at this time. All right, I'm assuming again that you've paused the video, so let's begin. So number 1 here we have fan, fen, fun, and fawn. 2, we have adder. We don't have an word here. We have adder, and then blank, then udder, and otter. Okay, remember the double T sound comes out as a D sound, or the double T spelling comes out as a D sound when pronounced. So we don't say utter or otter, we say udder and otter, and that makes it similar, a minimal pair with the first word there, adder. Number 3, cam, and then skip and then come and calm. Cam, come, calm. 4th, number 4, sad, said, sud, sod. And finally, bat, bet, but, bought. All right, so this has been a little review, a little exercise to see how well you're able to distinguish between the sounds and kind of use a little of your vocabulary knowledge to fill in the blanks with these words. Now let's get into some fun sentences. Now this time we're going to do it in reverse order. What I'm going to ask you to do is, again, pause the video for each fun sentence. Try to say it as you have learned it, using the sounds, and then unpause the video, and I will say it. So you can check yourself. Okay, you can even record yourself if you would like to. So again, pause the video at this time, say the sentence, and then unpause. So here we go. Okay, so what do we say here? Albert and Anthony asked Alex. Albert and Anthony asked Alex. Next. Again, just pause the video and try to say that or say that as clearly as you can. Okay, so we're going to say here, 7 men getting ready. 7 men getting ready. Next. Okay, we had fun in the sun. We had fun in the sun. Okay, remember to pause and try to say that clearly as you can. And we say here, a black box with bugs. A black box with bugs. And here we have okay, so hopefully you've paused, and here we go. Don napped till dawn. Don napped till dawn. Okay. Now that was the fun sentences, and for our final review activity, I'm going to ask you to choose the word that was spoken. So we're going to continue doing this activity, and let's begin. So where's the X? Where's the X? You got it. That's the left, the one on the right. The left one is X, the right is X. Please pardon me, there is no question mark in that sentence. I'm focusing so much on the sounds that I'm neglecting the punctuation. Next, cars on a track. Okay, which word? You got it. Hopefully this has become much easier for you from the first time, and you're able to distinguish between track and truck. Next one here, where is Denny gone? Okay, which one? Hopefully you heard Denny and not Danny. So there's a difference here, Danny versus Denny. His money is in a sock. Okay, which one did you hear? Hopefully you heard that one. It's interesting how people hear differently than others. So one person may have heard sack, another sock, and this is where we get confusion. And this is one of the ideas and purposes behind this video, to eliminate or greatly reduce that confusion between similar sounding words. And let's go to our final one. A fast black car. Okay, which one did I say here? You got it. A fast black car. Excellent. I'm assuming everyone did very well. If you've gone through the other videos, hopefully this will be quite easy for you. And that's going to be it for this first, I would say, module of lessons. And in this first module, we've looked at a. This is our primary contrasting sound, since it seems to be the one that gives people the greatest difficulty. And you can shape your mouth according to what you see there on the left. And our contrasting sounds a versus and ah. All right, so that's how you shape your mouth. That's how you make the sounds. I really appreciate you watching and participating in the videos. or with the lessons. And thank you also for your support in giving the likes and even comments. And that's going to be it. The next lesson we'll have is contrasting sounds I versus E. So we're getting away from the A, and we're getting into the I and the E. These are a couple of sounds that give people a lot of difficulty in my experience. I've seen this quite a bit. All right. So if you like this video, I am trying to make more in the future. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos like this in the days ahead. And please visit Prof ELT on Facebook. You can find a lot more helpful information, not just pronunciation points or phonetics, but also grammar and even English language learning tips. You can also purchase the English Speech Sounds Workbook on Amazon.com. You can just follow the link in the comments section below. As always, I'd appreciate any helpful feedback you can give, whether positive or negative. Help me to improve these videos. But also, I'd appreciate just a simple like and a thumbs up. That would be nice too, if you have appreciated these. So thank you, everyone. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.